Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. If you are one of those who prefer a good mouse for designing to a graphics tablet, you are in luck, because the latest generations of mice have evolved a lot and offer ideal features for graphic designers. The best mice for graphic design are practical and ergonomic, to be able to design comfortably for hours, agile and precise, to be able to design with fluidity and greater detail, and if possible, configurable, to adapt their buttons to each program used. Our team research and best advice of experts, we have select 3 best mouse for designers in 2023. For you, the link of the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you want more interesting product reviews, visit our GuideKnight YouTube channel.
Shopping with GuideKnight as. Let's start with our top picks. Number 3. Logitech M330 Silent Plus.
Quieter click. Logitech's Silent Touch technology reduces over 90% of clicking sounds while ensuring top performance, meaning you can feel every single click but hear virtually nothing. Crafted for comfort. With contour grips made of soft rubber, the noiseless M330 Silent Plus mouse is built to give great comfort to right-handed users. Long life. This cordless mouse has a 24-month battery life, too, and automatically switches to sleep mode when not in use, allowing you to focus on your work without the hassle of changing batteries. Advanced optical tracking. With a wireless range of up to 33 feet. 3. This quiet computer mouse provides high-performance precision and smart cursor control on most surfaces.
Number 2. SteelSeries Sensei 310.
Custom TrueMove 312,000 CPI. 350 IPS optical 1-to-1 tracking sport sensor. Legendary SteelSeries Sensei ambidextrous design for claw and palm grip styles. 2-zone, multicolor prism RGB illumination for customizable lighting. Save all your performance and lighting settings directly to the Sensei 310. Compatible operating system is Windows, Mac, and Linux. USB port required. Software is SteelSeries Engine March 10, 12 Plus. For Windows 7 or newer and Mac OS X 10.8 or newer.
Number 1. Logitech MX Master 3S.
Any surface tracking now 8K DPI. Use MX Master 3S cordless computer mouse to work on any surface, even glass. With the upgraded 8000 DPI sensor with customizable sensitivity. Introducing Quiet Clicks. MX Master 3S Bluetooth mouse introduces quiet clicks, offering the same satisfying feel, but with 90% less click noise. Sensor technology. Darfield high precision. Ergonomic design. Work comfortably with a precision mouse featuring a silhouette crafted for a more natural wrist posture and optimally placed thumb controls. Upgraded customization software. Customize buttons and optimize your workflow with app-specific profiles in the improved Logi Options Plus 5.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.